Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well. Now we are doing question number 9 once again with the condition that the capital account are fixed. What is the meaning of capital account are fixed? It will be given in the question capital account are fixed. If the balance of current account being given there, then we assume the capital account are fixed. Otherwise, we assume the capital account are fluctuating. We done the question as we have done earlier. Okay. So what will happen when the capital account are fixed? When the capital account are fixed, we make two account: partners capital account and current account. P&L appropriation will be done in the same way. We make two account for partners capital account and partners current account. Okay. In the capital account, we only show the balances of the capital. Rest of the thing we have earlier shown in the capital account, that will go to another account in the same way. That is called partners current account. Okay. Let's do the question once again. Now the condition when the capital account are fixed. In the earlier video, we discussed when the capital account are fluctuating. Okay, the question says the capital of Y and Z is being given 25,000 and 15,000 rupees. You give interest on capital 9% per annum. Salary 6,000 rupees to give it to Z. Commission give it to Z 6% of the profit after deducting interest on capital and salary, but after charging commission. Okay, the profit is given 30,800. First of all, we give P&L appropriation account. It will be done in the same way when capital account of fixed or fluctuating. There is a minor difference. What? I let you know. First of all, we write in the profit here 30,800 rupees. Whatever we have to pay, that will come to the debit side. First of all, we have to pay interest on capital to the partner 9% per annum to interest on capital. Y and that we calculate of the capital amount. It comes 2250 for Y and 1350 for Z. Total stand for 3,600 rupees. Okay, after that you have to pay salary. To salary, you have to pay salary to Z 6,000 rupees. That will go to the debit side. Next thing you have to give commission to Z. Commission says commission you have to give to the profit minus interest on capital and salary amount. So what we done in the profit, we have minus roughly interest on capital and salary. The profit remained 21,200, and after charging commission, after charging is 21,200 into 6 upon 100 plus the percentage of commission. That means 106. If commission comes 1,200 rupees, that will come to the debit side to commission. Okay. All the things being paid, now we calculate the profit and distribute the partner. Ratios will not be given in the question as I said earlier. Okay, the profit will be distributed equally. We make the total of this one minus these figures, all these figures. The next figure is 20,000 rupees. That will be goes to partners current account here. Why current account? When the capital account is fixed, the profit will be transferred to partners current account. In place of writing down earlier, we write down profit transfer to partners capital account. Now we write down profit transfer to partner current account. Okay, the amount comes 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, now we make partners capital account and current account. What I said, when partners capital account are fixed is given in the question, we make two account: partners capital account and current account. In partners capital account, we only write down the balance of partners capital and nothing else. See here, partners capital account, Y and Z, we write down the balance of capital given in the question. Buy balance will be 25,000, 15,000. Rest of the thing will not come in capital account. When the capital account are fixed. So the balance is 25,000 and 15,000. Now we make another account, partners current account. Whatever we pay to the partner, that will now go to partners current account. Whatever we paid here, it will go to the credit side. We paid interest on capital, to buy interest on capital, amount of X and Y and Z. Salary, you given to Z, to buy salary in the column of Z. You giving commission, buy commission in the column of Z. The profit share, that will also go to the current account. Earlier, all these things go to the partners capital account. Now all these things come to the current account. If drawing is interest on drawing given, that will also come to the debit side. Now these things will not be coming partners capital account, because partners capital account of fixed means the balance of capital remain unchanged. So these things will come to the separate account, that is partner current account. Okay, we make the total, make the difference, that comes 12,250 for Y and 18,550 for Z, and then the question is done. See both the videos, see both the cases, go through with that. When capital account of fixed and fluctuating, you will find out the difference. This is question number 9 from the new book. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Take care.